Early morning sounds, the birds, the rising sun, the dog walkers, those who just want to get it in for the day, be in touch with the outside world. One thing I've been thinking about is how you can reframe things in your life, your thoughts. I don't know if you can hear the birds in the background. They're communicating with us. All the different sounds. Being in touch with the universal feelings is very powerful. And how you can take control of reframing things, putting your own spin on it. That's life.